Whoever this message is for, you need to pause and wait before you make your next move. Solutions are being presented to you, but you must be patient. You're in a space right now where you are facing an in-between moment. In between timelines, you could say, in between decisions, choices I'm being shown that need to be made. And I'm also being shown that there has been some difficult circumstances that you've had to face. And I want you to know that Spirit is coming through with the Eight of Swords, saying that there is a solution being presented to you with Six of Wands that will lead to success. There is a necessary need for you to pause before you make the next move. I have split it to the High Priestess and the Five of Wands. You're moving through a challenge right now, an area of growth and transformation in your connection to your own intuition. And you're learning to discern between what does your ego want you to do, why are you making certain decisions, the reasoning behind them, and really learning how to listen to what is your heart, what is your spirit, what is your soul and your intuition guiding you to say, to do, to say, to do, versus your ego, your shadow, or your fear. So there's a necessary need for you to pause right now before making your next moves. I feel like in this pause, see how the cards stuttered for me shuffling? I feel like in this pause, you're going to get clarity, so that way it's smooth sailing on what, it's smooth sailing over the next, okay, thank you, Spirit. They're saying the pause is necessary for you to take a step and an action that will lead to smooth sailing waters, versus if you took a different step, it might lead to more chaotic and choppy waters. This is what they're saying right now. Okay, let's see. What else wants to come out of the tarot? If you're interested in a private session or personalized reading, everything that I offer is linked in my description, linked in my bio on my website. I would be honored to hold that space for you. The Magician. You are learning when you act from integrity, from your heart, from your soul, you're going to create the circumstances that you've always dreamed of. But if it's interesting, they're showing me like you have this touch to create whatever it is that you want to experience. But for a while, you were unconsciously creating experiences that you did not want to face. And you had to learn why and what you could do as the magician to change your reality, change the experiences that you were living through, going through. The magician energy, learning how to wield your power to create the world that you want to live in. So that's why this next decision, thank you, Spirit, there's like a little bit of a weight on this decision, on this like next move. Because there's like they want to emphasize there is no wrong answer, but there could be a long detour. That's all. So pause before you make any sudden movements. Listen to your intuition and trust that Spirit, can you give me some confirmation for this viewer that will help them with their decision making or movement forward? Follow what will bring you the most comfort and love and joy. That will never steer you wrong. Follow what feels good to your heart and to your soul, because that's where God is. And do not be afraid, because even if you do make the decision where you take choppy waters, you have an army around you. You have not even a sailboat, like you have a massive Navy ship where you can get through it. You can get through anything. But they're emphasizing right now that this next decision is going to lead to a lot of comfort and love and community, stability. Yeah. Comfort, community, love, stability. Eight of Pentacles popping out again. It's like the work that you're doing, like the journey that you're on. Dedication and progress. The progress that you are making as you are alchemizing all these different situations that you've had to face and go through. They want me to remind you that you would not have a problem if you did not have a solution. Someone needs to hear that. And they want to let you know that, you know what, hold on, before I finish that sentence, I'm going to pull an oracle card. We have man holding a heart and blossoming abundance. So some of you have love coming in and money coming in with this love, with this decision, is what Spirit's saying. We don't do clickbait around here. You can't make this up. This just happened. This just appeared. Okay, thank you, Spirit. Let's just see. Yeah, there's a thinking man sticking out. There's a decision. Someone might be making a decision about you. You might be making a decision about something that's going to lead to love. More like a love offer. Someone might be thinking about making a love offer towards you. That's for very, take what resonates, leave what doesn't. But take what resonates, leave what does not. Door to freaking romance. You literally can't. Woo! Okay. And basically what I'm hearing is that this next decision, pause before you make this next decision, because it's going to lead to a lot of love, a lot of comfort, a lot of success, a lot of beauty, prosperity, angel of strength. I'm feeling that from your spirit, like this resiliency, the ability that you've gone through so much. Your endurance is what they're saying. Your soul has gone through so much. Like, I'm tapping into your past lives even. Your past lives have been pretty rough. And this lifetime is meant to be different. And because your past lives have been so rough, if you made it to this part of the video, not everybody does. If you made it to this part of the video, drop a lion in the comments. You have a soul that has lived a lot of painful past lives and a lot of experiences that, because of those painful past lives, experiences that you went through in this lifetime were connected to that and caused a lot of this disharmony for you in a lot of different areas of your life. And I feel like where you're at right now, you're at a turning point where Spirit is shifting your life in miraculous ways to bring more comfort and love and prosperity and community and joy into your reality, because you deserve it. You are worthy. You're more than enough. And this timeline is different. Thank you, Great Spirit. This lifetime is different. That's one of my songs that's coming through for this collective here right now. Door to Spirit. I feel like your connection to your spirit team, your angels, your higher self is getting stronger as well. Getting a lot stronger. You can expect some deeper signs and synchronicities. Ooh, I'm getting goosebumps. Yeah, oh wow, okay. You might be someone very connected into the galactic realms. Pleiadians, Sirians, Arcturians, Andromedans. Hello, my friends. Blue Avians, hello, my friends. Thank you, thank you. They're like the nature spirits, the animals, the fairies, the dragons. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, thank you. Expect more signs and synchronicities and them speaking to you a lot more louder and clearer, because they want to help you with this decision and where you're going and what you're destined for. Wow, thank you. Caring connections. What did I say? The love, the community, the romance, the community, the sisterhood, the brotherhood, caring connections. Like, whoo, it's happening. So wherever you're at right now, there is a solution coming your way. The decision you're making, pause, reflect, trust what feels good, and trust your guidance from Spirit and keep listening, okay? If you want to dive deeper in a personal session, I would be honored to hold that space. I offer personalized readings. I have private one-on-one sessions. You can go check out everything that I offer. It's linked on my website in the description. If you are watching this, come check out the Remembrance Mystery School. We are still enrolling. Enrollment is open until March 9th. I don't know when you're watching this, when you're coming across this video, but there is a special enrollment price right now. So if you're interested, go check that out. We would love to have you. And I hope that this message served you well. Wherever you are on this beautiful planet, I hope you have a great, beautiful rest of your great, beautiful rest of your day and night. You know, I'll see you in the next video. You can send me a message, drop a comment below. If you would like to tip me, I would be honored. I'd be so grateful if you wanted to send me a little tip. You got this, and I will see you in the next aligned message for you.